My name is Ron Lý Thiên. I am a Super Kid 4 student. Today, I am very happy to join the telling the story event. I will tell you the story of the lion and the mouse. One day, a lion was sleeping under a tree in the forest. The little mouse came and played on the lion's back. The lion woke up and was angry. The mouse said, "Please don't eat me. I will have you one day." The lion laughed. "Ha ha ha, but let the mouse go." 4 days later, the lion caught in a cantonette. He roared loudly for help. The mouse heard the lion and ran to help. It bit the net with its mouth, set the lion free. The lion was very happy and thanked the mouse. From that day, they became good friends. Moral: even a small animal can have a big one. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoy and learn something important. Always do your best and never give up. Thank you and have a nice day.